There's one thing I see in almost every man with ED, and it's silently destroying your blood flow every single day. Stay tuned to find out. There's three things that I'm going to talk about, and you will be surprised at the last thing. I'm Dr. Truong. I'm a medical doctor who specializes in sexual health, and I treated over 7,000 men over the past 20 years. So let's talk about the one thing that is destroying your blood flow and destroying your erection. That is called endothelial dysfunction. What that means is that the blood vessel is lined by this lining called the endothelium. It's like a thin layer. Think of it like a thin layer of plastic that is wrapped on the inside of your blood vessel. So think of it like a pipe like this, and the inside the pipe is wrapped with like saran wrap. Very thin, but it acts as the barrier for toxic stuff in your blood that doesn't go to the cells. The toxic stuff is supposed to go to your kidneys, and you're supposed to urinate it out. But that barrier, the endothelium, prevents it from being leaked out into the cell. So when the endothelium is not healthy, it starts to leak. When it starts to leak, it allows toxic substances in your blood to leak out into your cell. And that's how your cells get sick. That's how your cells are not functioning normal. So that is what's called inflammation. And so the endothelium is affected by toxic substances, but it's mainly affected by, guess what? Insulin resistance. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only one pump away. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. What insulin resistant means is that when you eat, like, say, bread, or when you eat like sweet, your body will release out insulin from the pancreas into the blood, and then the blood sugar that is dissolved by the food then goes into the cell. However, insulin resistant means that when the insulin is secreted into your blood from the pancreas, the blood sugar doesn't get absorbed. It just kind of hangs in there in the blood, so that way the blood sugar seems high, and that's what kind of gives you that high hemoglobin A1C or the high blood sugar count. And that condition is called insulin resistance. Number 3 is that sedentary lifestyle. What it means is that if you're not exercising, let's say you sit at the desk all day and you work on the computer, well, sitting around, and then you go home, you get too tired, you don't go exercise, anything like that, and then you start putting on weight. Well, sedentary lifestyle where you're not exercising, it causes endothelium to break down. So this is what is critical for blood flow, because that endothelium, that plastic layer, has to be intact, because if they start to have some holes in it, then you're going to start having toxic stuff that goes to the cell, making it sick. If the blood sugar is hanging around your blood too long and you're not exercising, then it's going to affect your erection and affect your penis. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only one pump away. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. The bottom line is ED is just not a penis problem, it's a blood vessel problem. So the main thing is, guys, is that you fix the cause of the decreased blood flow, to fix the cause of endothelial dysfunction by fixing blood flow. How do you do that? The 4 pillars of sexual health. What is that? Diet. Get the Mediterranean diet and follow the Mediterranean diet. Here's the link below, and I'll put that in my description as well. Check the link here to get the Mediterranean diet. Number 2 is exercise at least 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Number 3 is make sure you get at least 7 hours of sleep. And then number 4 is stress reduction. Now, the top 2, the diet and the exercise, are the most powerful pillars that you can start instituting that will actually reverse endothelial dysfunction. And when endothelial dysfunction is reversed, your blood sugar goes down, inflammation goes down, you drop weight, you feel better, you move better, you just sleep better. And guess what? Your nighttime erection will come back, and then your erection will come back. But don't forget also the penis pump. You're a penis exerciser. I want to throw that in because if you're having inflammation, you're having ED, and you need the penis pump to exercise the penis, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let me know in the comment what you would like to hear me talk about. And I would appreciate it if you guys subscribe to the channel, share it with somebody you love, and comment as well. And just know there are alternative modern man. You don't have to live with it. You are not broken. Do not suffer in silence. We are here to help you. Check the link below to see if you want to explore whether how I can help you get back to you being a man again, and that you know that there is a way, and that know that we are here for you, and we will see you in the next episode, Modern Man. Okay, Modern Man, you are not alone, and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.